Over the course of this and my next 3 blog posts, you're going to learn the 4 key skills required in Inventor CAM to create CNC code. Each skill is divided into 2 videos, one that will explain the skill and the second that will demonstrate it using Autodesk Inventor. To begin, I will discuss how to set up your 3D model in the Inventor CAM environment. You will then learn to assign the toolpaths that you will need to machine the model. Once the toolpaths have been created, you'll learn how to use the simulation and visualization tools to review these toolpaths. And finally, to generate the CNC code, you will learn how to post-process the file. The demonstrations in these blogs will be focused on simple designs that are going to allow us to keep the focus on the workflow and learning how to create the toolpaths. All of these models are used in a Sense Autodesk Inventor Milling Fundamentals Learning Guide.